What's up everyone, Jamie Hertz here with The Good Food Chef, and today we're making buttermilk fried chicken sandwiches. Now I've been asked by people who ordered this in my restaurants a lot to share this recipe with you, and of course you guessed it, it is one of my favorites, but that's why I make these videos for you, is to share my favorite recipes with you. The chicken sandwich itself, it gives you that same sensation as a buttermilk fried chicken sandwich, but it doesn't bog you down like that deep fried sort of batter between bread sort of feel. We're gonna cut through the richness of the sandwich with a nice cabbage slaw with a bunch of good stuff in it, and of course we're gonna give it some bite with a spicy mayo. The chicken that I use in this video, of course, is Fraser Valley Specialty Poultry, and of course the olive oil that I use is from Nelson Olive Oil Co. Both will have links in the description below. If you hadn't already done so, hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications because I make weekly videos just for you, and of course share and like the video. I'm Jamie Hertz with The Good Food Chef. Buttermilk chicken sandwich, let's get this. Thanks for watching this recipe with The Good Food Chef, everyone. I really hope that you could learn from this recipe and that you can actually take recipes and make them your own. Whatever suits your diet, whatever suits your budget, whatever you have laying around the house, use what you got. Drag your family, your friends, your loved ones in the kitchen and start playing with food. Stay safe, everybody, and we'll see you soon.